Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file sales tax return online. First, ensure you have all your sales data and financial records ready. This includes total sales, taxable sales, and any collected tax. Next, you'll need to register for an online sales tax account with your state's revenue department. Finally, understand your specific filing frequency, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or annually, and mark your due dates. Now, let's prepare your data. Carefully categorize your sales into taxable and non-taxable items as different rules apply. Then, accurately calculate the total sales tax you've collected from your customers. Don't forget to identify any applicable deductions or credits that might reduce your tax liability. This meticulous preparation ensures a smooth and accurate filing process. With your data prepared, it's time to submit. Log in to your state's secure online tax portal using your credentials. Carefully input your categorized sales figures and collected tax amounts into the designated fields. Take your time to review all entries for accuracy, checking for any typos or miscalculations. This crucial step prevents errors and potential penalties. Finally, select an approved payment method for your sales tax liability, such as direct debit or credit card. Once paid, save your confirmation number and a copy of your submitted return for your records. This documentation is vital for future reference or audits. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying organized and hydrated is key to business success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.